To replace an existing high-speed modem, follow these easy steps. Before you begin, make sure you have all necessary elements, including the modem, Ethernet cable, coax cable, and power cord. First, connect the coax cable to the cable port on the rear panel of the modem and connect the other end to a wall jack. Do not bend or over-tighten the cables. Doing so could damage connectors, preventing proper operation. On the back panel of the modem, connect the Ethernet cable to the port labeled 2.5G ETH. Connect the other end to the Ethernet port on your Wi-Fi router. Connect the power cord to the power input and plug the other end into a wall outlet or power strip. Once all connections are made, the modem will automatically perform its setup process. The DS-US light will flash white, indicating firmware updates are in progress. When configuration is complete and a network connection has been established, the light will flash blue. Finally, connect your computer for device installation and configuration. If you received a return mailing label with your modem, use it to return your old unit along with its power cord to TDS. If you did not receive a return mail label, please dispose of your old modem in a responsible manner. If your new modem fails to perform any of the setup steps, check to ensure all connections are secure. If you still have trouble, contact our tech support team for assistance. For more troubleshooting tips, visit our support page. And thank you for choosing TDS.